Hello! Hello, welcome! Enjoy my patient. I'm glad to see you and pleased about this meeting here. I expect you want to know what's new in the world of watchmaking. What's going on in my workshop, right? Okay, well, at present time I make a case for a complicated pocket watch movement, a repeater, calendar and chronograph. It will be a hunter case with 4 hinges in gold. The case is in silver and the pendant will be in gold too. So let's see. Here's the place for spinning the domed back and front cover of the case. The work is done on a wooden block with special spinning tools. Here's a place for soldering, tempering or polishing, also cleaning, soldering on a coal block. This is my common lathe for turning rings and bezels. And here a box for collecting precious remainders, cuttings of silver and gold necessary to bring it back to the bullion house to save money. All is silver. Okay. Oh, I know you want to hear what's new in the world of watchmaking. I will tell you you know already, I wrote this book about tourbillon making, my bestseller. But new is this book, the classical pocket watch case. Design, case making, maintenance. This book tells everything about case making. Everything. Design, soldering, golden cases, tools, materials, everything. This is new. already in 1987 I wrote the book in German language. In those days I built my tourbillon, my first tourbillon, and this movement needs a case. Veteran casemakers in Glashütte, a famous city in Germany where many manufactories made and make fine watches, pocket and wrist watches. There, veteran casemakers trained me in casemaking, and later I wrote about casemaking, making a book. Now you can read everything in English. But see, I don't like to tell you more about casemaking today. Too many details. I think the best you buy my book about casemaking and study the subject casemaking. You read everything about it in this book. Thanks. All the best.